So, nandito na tayo sa Malaysian Airlines. And ang flight namin is 6:40 a.m. So, right now it's 6:20 a.m. So, good weather. So, hopefully, all throughout the flight, this is just our connecting flight going to India.
Okay, 5 minutes to this GB. Once again, welcome aboard BH 805 to Kuala Lumpur. On the way Boeing 737.
So now we are here at Kuala Lumpur Terminal 1. We just landed and kakakuha lang namin ng luggage namin. And then tonight pa yung aming flight. I think 6:50 p.m. pa, and then 10:10 pa yung dating namin sa airport. So gabi na kami makakapunta ng hotel. Now naman, nandito na tayo sa Terminal 2. 11:30 na. So magla-lunch na tayo. Naghahanap lang kami ng kung saan kami pwedeng kumain. Ito yung mga kasama ko. We're like 5 right now, pero madami kami sa tuwali na to. Kita-kita na lang kami sa airport na India. Hey guys! So you see that? Chocolate everywhere. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Philippines Scones. And ito yung mga menu nila. I don't know what to order. Okay guys, so nag-order lang ako ng shrimp chicken bun. So try lang natin. Kain muna tayo nitong chicken shrimp na bun. Parang Chinese style. $6 siya for 11.80 ringgit. Matcha muna tayo guys, pampalis ng antok. Hey! Ano yan?
Ano ba to? Ano pangalan?
Must try something.
Chili ano?
Chili noodles.
Chili noodles, ayan o. Para siyang makapal na sotanghon, if titingnan nyo guys. Ayun o.
Ayan, iti-taste na niya ako anong lasa.
Ito guys.
Hindi baka madumihan yung damit.
Ayun nga, parang
Tingnan
naka-white
natin.
pa.
Para siyang sotanghon.
Na, maanghang hindi.
Lalo mga laban.
May pinaglalaban.
Grabe. Yung kulay pa lang naman kasi.
Ang ahang.
I-rate
Ito pre, tikman mo na pre.
mo yung highest 10. Ano?
natin. Parang naging Korean na to.
Sa akin, ano siya? Pwede na sa akin 6.
Nagsistay siya sa
Nag-stay
dila.
sa dila. Malaysia pa lang to,
Malaysia pa
nakakawala
lang.
tayo.
Paano ba?
Paano pa pag
Hindi ko
nasa
kain
India
tikman niya.
tayo?
Okay guys, so pupunta na tayo sa Q10. So this would be Kuala Lumpur to Delhi in India. So let's go. So nandito na tayo sa Q10. Kayo na ba? No, not yet. Kuala Lumpur to Delhi. Nasi lemak ng McDo. Ay, ganyan. So may egg,
May egg.
may rice.
Oh,
Ano yan?
may parang dilis.
Ah, may dilis pa?
Tapos
Ano
ito
ba
yung
yun,
sambal. Sambal.
Sambal?
Tapos ito yung chicken.
Oy, grabe. Red ulit.
So I will rate it.
Recess.
Wala pa eh, no? Wala pa.
Your attention please, an emergency exercise will
Three pa rin siya hanggang ngayon.
Malay mo naman, hindi yung
Diba? Finally, nasa plane na tayo ng Air Asia. So, ang laki nito. 9 per row. Okay guys, we're here now in Delhi Airport and it's now 10:20 p.m. Welcome to India. At ang weather daw ay 21 degree Celsius. So now guys, pupunta naman tayo ng immigration. Ito na mga some ng mga kasama ko. Guys, nandito pa rin tayo sa airport. Pero baggage na lang tayo, tsaka immigration. Okay guys, so nasa labas na tayo. Parang madaling araw, guys. Grabe yung fog.
11,
Very
12.
yeah, so eto kami. Ang aming group. So sunday na kami ng aming service at last. We're complete. 18 na ata kami. So ngayon pupunta na kami doon sa service namin going sa hotel. And it's already 12 midnight. Parang sagada.
Sagada wala to.
Magsasagada tayo guys. Diyan no. And guys.
Hindi naman ako pwedeng mag-ano na. Ay, bakit hindi mo ako?
Ano ba yan? Ay, kakain! Visit ka!
Ilalahad mo ba?
Ayun!
Ilalahad mo ba?
Bad trip ka! Thank you so much.
Ikakat ka pag napigil-pilip. Marigold daw po yan. Fort welcome.
Fresh siya, no? Fresh.
Fresh, opo. Welcome drink.
Kasi natikman ko. Okay guys, so finally nandito na tayo sa Paradise Inn. So nag-check-in na kami. Actually mag-1 AM na yata. And nandito kami sa 3rd floor. Actually, ito yung room 306. So as you can see, very plain lang siya. So meron lang siyang 2 na small na bed, may cabinet. Table and chairs din naman. Yan, may small mirror hanging tayo. And then meron tayo ditong AC with curtain. And then meron din tayo ditong kettle and then dalawang mug. May free water din sila. And then ito may trash can na small and then small cabinet. Ayan, wala lang laman. And then pagpasok mo sa CR, ito na yun guys. So makikita nyo, ayan, so toilet and bath na yan. So meron namang dalawang towel. And then yan, mirror. Ayan. May toothbrush, pero pang-isahan lang. Ayan. Magstay kami dito ng, is it 2 nights? Ayun. Tapos lilipat ulit kami for another 2 nights and then 1 night. Yun na yung last night namin sa Agra na yun before we go home sa Manila. Pagod na kami guys. So kakain muna kami, magpapahinga. And then after that, mag-shower na kami. Kasi tomorrow, ang start ng breakfast is 8. Tapos 9:30 is mag-start na yung aming tour. Parang day 1 ng tour namin dito sa India. So again guys, nandito kami sa New Delhi. Morning, so mag-breakfast na po tayo. And okay, so these are our food for today. Pita bread, no, with something, coffee. Okay, so ito yung nagpapalit kami ng money, guys. So this is the Indian rupee. So ito po yung mga mainit. Oh my god, ang init.
And public vehicle and transportation system strengthened lot in last 30 years. Own country get some services done or manufacturing of automobile and others can be done from here in India because competitive skill and competitive labor available here. Statue, bravery, brave. So in Hindu religion, you know, There are statues, idols, worships. 33 billion gods. Slogan like Clean Delhi and Green Delhi.
Guys, nandito tayo sa
Biggest mosque in India.
When was this built?
1648.
This part is Old Delhi. This
This
part.
is Old Delhi. Sasikal, Old Delhi.
Kasing grade kaya yun? Like, hindi siya uwak. Hindi siya, itong mga ano, like, hindi siya halap. Ano siya?
may ano pala.
As you can see guys, naka-elevate tayo kasi located to sa hill called Bojala.
And let's see how does it look like.
I want slipper.
So we have to leave our shoes, but you can wear socks or you can buy slipper. So, yan. Naka-bare kami. Pwede medyas.
Down, please, down, come on. So this is a Jama mosque.
Yama Mosque.
Masjid, a religious name like same. Every mosque in India always face to west because Muslim pray to Makkah and Makkah always face to west in India. But in other European country it go to the east. So here they used to pray to the west. And this is covered area and this is open courtyard. And 25,000 total capacity of people to sit down here to pray. Red sandstone, white marble, very nicely used there. 3 towers, 3 domes, 2 towers. Minar has very special importance in Islam. Here 2 minars to call the people for azan and the prayer. At some mosque maybe 1 minar. But these domes always odd number in India. Either 1, either 2. Or middle dome they presume are imam.
Parang Taj Mahal na.
That always comparatively big. Flower, Hindu flower. But they also hardly everywhere.
Oo, yung gagano.
So that's why we call it.
Ang dami talagang bird. Di kita sa fog.
Everywhere. Red stove, golden stove, white lines, red stove. And if you look at that, very nice one.
Which one, sir?
This is archer.
Arches.
Come here.
Many-
It's look like a tunnel on the both way.
Many,
There are many arches, but
Yeah.
that arches done symmetrically.
symmetrical.
So symmetrically,
Everything.
every nook and corner.
Lahat naka-symmetrical.
There you pray. This is special chair for imam and high priest. Imam.
Ang magandang
Oo, tapos gumaganong-ganong.
Dito, ayan, no?
Smooth way. Lahat nga symmetrical.
Second, this is third. Where we
3 main gates.
This second number gate was used to reserve for king and royal family because the second number gate directly faced to Red Fort. Red Fort direct opposite on the lower side. When we go there, we can view even Red Fort from here.
Oh, Red
And
Fort.
gate of Red Fort, we view that gate of Red Fort used by royal family to come to mosque.
Royal family.
Mosque at the upper hill, Red Fort down. That's why view of fort even clear from there. And in India's in this your tour program in
Ang ganda.
itinerary, every city there is a fort. Agra there is only two things to see: fort and Taj Mahal. Delhi there are many things. Same way Jaipur more than one fort. So this gate reserved for the king and the royal family.
Lahat na lang may arc. Ang galing. Uy, ang ganda.
Training na doon.
Oo. Oh, buksan mo na.
Ang bigat. Parang nawala yung breakfast kaysa tulak lang.
Guys, ang lamig. Ang lamig dito ah. May drinks. Yan, kita mo na yung karamihan ng tao. Main gate. Guys, very big in person. Ganda. Okay guys, balik na ulit tayo sa loob. Wall of
Fort. One gate this side, one gate other side. This is wall of the Red. Same material used at Red Fort, same material used here at mosque.
red stone by
Red stone and white marble.
white marble.
One gate there, one other gate. So big castle area. Every fort, same design. Even fort in Agra more bigger than this one. In Jaipur there are more than one fort.
One.
So fort means fortification protection. Royal family live there, used to rule from there. Okay? And come to pray here from time to time.
Guys, so ayan, papasok na yung mga locals ngayon. So kaya nagmamadali na kami mag-take ng picture kasi ayan yung gate, inopen na nila. So, bigyan ko na lang kayo ng parang 360 degree view. Ayan o, para ka na agad nasa Taj Mahal, guys. So nice. And then every angle, yan, may curve talaga siya. Ayan o. So we're done na. Balik na. Balik tayo sa ating bus. Pupunta naman tayo sa Red Fort. Let's go. Nagpabay muna tayong ticket. Pero ito yung Red Fort. So, made siya ng red stone and white marble.
Similar time.
1648. It was built.
Same builder.
Meron din sila dito. Pero pag sumakay ka sa Ferris wheel, mukhang itatalsikan niya. So, be brave, okay, little one.
Every year, Prime Minister of India will unfurl the flag here. People sit there and we celebrate our And this gate called Lahori Gate because it goes to this Lahore. Lahore now is Pakistan. But old time period part of India.
Now we're going to Red Fort. So, ito yung visitors entrance gate.
So parang yung counterpart nito sa atin is yung Malacanang Palace.
Ladies. Papasok na tayo sa Red Fort. think this would be the last part of our tour here. Ayan, so mostly na mga structures nila dito is symmetrical, so just like this. Ano daw to? Made ng lahat ng white marble. Ganda ng ano? Quality ng marble. Before we go out, so dito muna tayo. Again guys, so sa Red Fort tayo right now. Let's go! Hi, Jess! Dito na tayo, pabalik from Red Fort. Okay guys, palabas na tayo. What's the name? Cedar Clubhouse? Okay guys, let's eat our late lunch. We'll be having our lunch. Party! Tugs-tugs na agad ha, maaga pa. Isa lang mojito, kuya. Bago lalabas na ulit. Okay guys, sobrang mahaba to ha.
Wala tayo dito.
Guys, ang dami niyang menu. Okay guys, chicken ba to?
Chicken masala.
Chicken masala. Okay. So, ngayon nalito na ako sa in-order ko. Shrimp tempura, naging prawn. Prawn tempura. Prawn, sushi, whatever. This is Ograsen Kiboli. So you can visit this place for free. So now it's 3:45 p.m. and direct pa rin yung sikat ng araw.
Very old tree, real banyan tree.
Ah, banyan.
Banyan.
Yeah.
What is banyan?
Real banyan tree. Banyan is a tree famous from India, and this tree also known as Bodhi tree because Buddha got enlightenment in the such type of tree in central India, which is still there, popular for the century. So life of this tree is very, very old. The wall.
So this is one of the famous attraction here. The groundwater. Kaso bumaba na yung water level niya. So ganyan na lang siya ngayon.
Famous hockey stadium. Very nice. Yeah. And that is the stadium.
Tatawid! Ayan pa.
walls.
Ayun, dito madami. Mga ano, ice cream.
Huwag ka na magpa-ice cream ulit. Ano pa yan? Ito namang ano, kakakain lang.
Huwag ka na magpa-dessert. Ito pala mga hinahanap natin. Ayan. Ayun. Yun, oh. Nekos na yan. Ay, itong nekos na yun, isa pala. Guys, so nandito tayo sa Humayun's Tomb. Pasok tayo sa loob. I think kailangan natin ng token or ticket to get in. At may kasabay na naman po kami mga estudyante.
Nakakatawa kasi parang ano. Alam mo kakaiba itsura natin.
How are you daw?
We're good! How about you guys? Hindi nagpatali yung mga girls, nag-hi na rin bago pumasok. Salamat.
Ito may video ata siya.
Yes. Kasi nasag, guys, ayan. Dito ba sunset? Parang hindi dito, no? Ito yung tomb. Humayon World Heritage Site. UNESCO's Archaeological Survey of India. Ayan guys, ang ganda na ng weather. Sarap maglakad.
Principal pa rin, huwag ka na magbang.
Hindi na ako mga tasa pag ako.
Hindi.
Ang bilis na una kakagad, principal, tapos ito pipisaran na.
Okay guys, let's walk again. Whole day walking tayo guys.
Alam nila mag-English.
Magaling naman talaga sila yata sa English.
After natin sila.
Oo, kaya sa kanila nag-call center.
Garden tomb also.
Ah, garden.
Nice photo shot point.
Hindi, bukas pa. Puro student ulit.
Everywhere nice greenery, nice garden, because Mughal people love for garden and greenery. Concept of garden here called Charbagh design, south, west, east, north. So everywhere nice beautiful garden. Sun is going down, very nice view of main building.
This is the Humayun's Tomb. So, pasok na tayo dito. Hello! It's you again! Okay, so may mga kasabay kami mga estudyante.
Indian concept there. When you climb up there, to turn to the right, go inside, under the mat, in the middle,
Okay, walking in the park, guys. Diba? Indian Gate. Parang ito yung version nila dun sa ano.
Arc de Triomphe.
Oo, the Triumph sa France.
Over yun eh.
Ano yun?
Ay, isang araw ka lang? Oo, maghapon yun.
Ang dami nag-offer po dito ng mga ano no, picture.
soft copy.
Soft copy. Not hard, but... So guys, ayan. Ganda naman siya. Dito tayo sa Indian Gate. Famous landmark na pinupuntahan nila dito. Uwi na. Free size. Free size.
What's the free size? Come, I show you. I'm showing you. Want to say something, madam?
Free size. Okay. Hindi nga. We check.
Sari always comes like this. You can see here. They're like this ready-made. Okay. So very easy to wear. You want to try on you? Here is the mini hoop. Okay. Here for the size.
Ang ganda.
For the size. Yes.
Pang Taj Mahal. Binabalot na parang lumpia. Oh, tapos ano, shoulder. Oh, that's how you do it.
Very easy, very easy. You can learn on the YouTube how to wear. It's very easy to wear. You can see in the mirror.
Nice, so pretty.
Nice.
So this is like how much?
This one, this is 3,500 rupees. This quality. How much $40.
Okay, so this is how it looks like at night, guys. Pauwi na. Pero baka
Night market. So, ito pala yung kasama namin,
si Miss...
local guys.
Kala mo principal.
Principal.
Hindi, gabi na. Local guide naman siya
Hindi,
ngayon.
kanina, picture taker na eh. Ngayon, local guide na.
Kanina, gobernador.
Oo. Ano? Panipuri.
Guys, yung hotel nga pala namin is walking distance lang dito sa market. So, kaya naglalakad lang kami papunta doon.
Oh, here, oh. Ready-made.
Kahanap ng kape.
Oh, mga ready-made daw, guys. Dito daw maraming mga medyo cheap na sari.
Anong oras tayo mag-meet? Wala. Anong oras tayo mag-meet?
Saan?
Para lumabas.
Pagkababa, kasagad.
Baka kasi may tamarin eh.
Oh, yun na ka. Si Justin.
Ito ng sari. Go.
Kung meron sa Jaipur, edi bibili ulit. Kung maganda
Kung
talaga.
sakali. Oh.
Alam mo,
meron na
Two options.
yung naniniwala sila, meron lang silang tao na
Wala na siyang nagawa eh, nung nakita niya tayo eh.
Wow, may mais. Guys, may mga luggages. Ayan, mga damit. Then,
Kaya natin hitin, check hitin ng price.
grabe na pagod ako doon. Pag-ikot pa lang doon. Guys, so ngayon, dito tayo sa McDonald's. Ayan, yung food nila. So, I don't know makakam. So, let's try. Say hi sa my vlog. Hi! Boy, you're not a local!
Unless, ay no spicy, no spicy. Ang hangin yung sa'yo kanina?
mild lang.
Ano ba yung may gulay ba? Onion.
Yan lang.
Ay, ganon. Ano gagawin niya? Flip? Ano flavor? Ano flavor?
Hello? Oreo. Iba yan. Ano lang, ganun lang. Tapos nalagyan na natin.
Felipe? Sino?
Ano? Ano ba yun?
Sino?
Sabi ko na hindi mo kami nakita. Basta puno hindi mo nakita. Ba't ka na kasi pili?
Bakit? 30 pesos?
8, dalawang itlog.
Tapos,
Dalawang pa.
Flip one
Again.
limang clip, kaya ka mag-viral.
Girl, kita-kita ang reaction ko dyan ah.
Yes. Hey guys, nag-McDo na kami. Pero gusto na-try nung kasama namin yung omelette. Ayan na siya guys. Done na.
So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again on my next vlog. Bye!